Chapter 2: Building Self-Awareness and Emotional Intelligence. Self-awareness and emotional intelligence are key skills that are essential for success as a manager. Self-awareness is the ability to understand your own thoughts, feelings, and behavior, and how they impact others. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize and understand emotions in yourself and others, and to use this information to guide your thinking and behavior. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of self-awareness and emotional intelligence in the role of a manager. We will discuss the different aspects of self-awareness, including self-reflection, self-regulation, and self-motivation, and how they relate to the role of a manager. We will also explore the different aspects of emotional intelligence, including emotional awareness, empathy, and emotional regulation, and how they can be used to build strong relationships, lead teams effectively, and make better decisions. This chapter will provide practical strategies and techniques for building self-awareness and emotional intelligence, and will explore how these skills can be developed and improved over time. Whether you're an experienced manager or new to the role, this chapter will provide valuable insights and tools for building these essential skills. Self-awareness and emotional intelligence are critical skills for managers because they enable them to understand their own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, and how they impact others. With self-awareness, managers can understand their own strengths and weaknesses and take steps to improve their performance. Self-awareness also helps managers to be more effective when making decisions and solving problems, and to be more effective in leading and motivating their team. Emotional intelligence is also essential for managers because it enables them to understand the emotions of others and to use this information to build strong relationships, lead teams effectively, and make better decisions. For example, by being empathetic, managers can understand the perspectives and needs of their team members and make decisions that are in the best interest of the team. By being aware of their own emotions, managers can also regulate their own behavior and respond to others in a more effective way. To build self-awareness and emotional intelligence,